This is a digital tire pressure gauge, which was sent to me from the brand for a video. And I think this is kind of like an essential to bring with you wherever you go, because a lot of people don't know their tires might be inflated incorrectly. So I think this is a pretty handy tool to bring with you wherever you go. Let's go ahead and test this out here. So the readings come in 0.1 psi increments, which is the detail that matters most for accuracy, not just a round number. Actual precise readings, so you know exactly where your tire pressure sits. Goes up to 150 psi, which covers everyday passenger vehicles. The four measurement units, psi, bar, kPa, and kg cm2, mean it works for international specs too, if you ever needed that. The backlight LCD display makes reading the number easy in any lighting condition, and the nozzle light, something I didn't expect to appreciate as much as I do. Checking tires at night or in a dark garage, you can actually see the valve stem you're trying to connect to. It's a thoughtful detail that eliminates one of the most annoying parts of checking tire pressure in low light. Consistency is where this gauge earns its stripes. Check the same tire 3 times back to back, got the same number each time, within 0.1 psi. That's the kind of reliability you need to actually trust what you're reading. Cross-checked it against the gas station gauge, and the readings were very close, well within an acceptable range. And a 2-pack is smart for this type of product. You keep one in your car and one in the garage, or with your air compressor. That way you always have one accessible wherever you're checking your tires, without moving back and forth. So who is it for, and is it worth it? Anyone who owns a vehicle and wants to actually know their tire pressure instead of guessing at it. Properly inflated tires improve fuel economy, tire life, and handling. It's one of the simplest things you can do for your car, and having an accurate gauge makes it something you actually do consistently. The 2-pack, the nozzle light, the precision, all worth it. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review. If you want to see more products like this, click this video right here. I think you'll like it.